Greetings to all. I'm participant college code number 15, and today I'm present here not just as a student but as a proud young Indian dreaming dreams of billions of heart. My topic is India of 2047, the role of youth. In 1947, India break the chain of colonial rule, but in 2047, when India turned 100, we are not fighting from others, we are fighting from within, from corruption, poverty, narrow thinking, and many other things. But friends, what do you think? What we need to change this India through the power of our youth? India of 2047, it's not just a date, it's a vision. It's a vision of Viksit Bharat. It's a vision that India will be independent, self-reliant, and occurred many other things. Friends, when we talk about self-reliant India, we will hope India will lead world's world in spirituality and science, in tradition, in technology, in progress and peace. Indian youth can be bridge between rural and urban life, between past and future. Friends, when we talk about Indian youth, we must not forget Swami Vivekananda as he said, give me 100 energetic youth and I shall transform India. What do you think and what do you mean by youth and youth's role? What can we do? India has the most population of youth, but why can't it become the most responsible youth population? Question. Question comes, and when question comes, we need answer. Answer is us. As charity comes from home, changes also comes within. First, change yourself. First, change yourself, change your perspective, change your outlook, change your idealism about society, world, and India. India is not just a name. India is not just a country. India is a tradition. India is a culture. India is not just a name. India is not just a country that once on a colonized area. Not just a British colonized as its rule. India will be rule in space. Indian flag will shine in space as well as in all of its heart. My dear friends, as a youth, I always think it's a time of AI. It's a time of information technology and global connection, and our role is as important of government. We always blame government for many other things, but why can't we blame our own self? As I mentioned, changes also comes from within. શરૂઆત હંમેશા પોતાનાથી જ કરવી જોઈએ. એક સાવ ગામડિયાની કહેવત છે કે માણસ પોતાનું ફળિયું સાફ કરે ને પછી એને શેરી સાફ કરવા નીકળે. As we always think that change will come with the policies of government. But why it can't come from ourselves? Why can't we, as a youth, why can't we always be one to change society? Okay, when 2047, India's dream will be the vision of Viksit Bharat will come. We were the generation, and we proudly said that we were the generation that turned dream into destiny. And proudly say that we were the generation that Swami Vivekananda once assumed, and we were that once. We are that once. Friends, in end of my speech, as I written something, तुम देश के वो युवा हो जो बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं. तुम देश के वो युवा हो जो बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं. तुम देश के वो युवा हो जिन्हें बहुत पथ लंबा करना है, जिन्हें काफ़ी पथ काटना है. ये पथ बहुत लंबा है, आसानी से नहीं मिलता कुछ, आसानी से नहीं मिलता कुछ. लंबी है ये राहें बड़ी, मंजिलें हैं कई सारी, पर तुम हो इस देश के युवा, तुम हो सक्षम, तुम हो क्षमतावान, तुमसे होगा सब कुछ. अस्तु. जय हिंद, जय भारत. थैंक यू सो मच.